Therefore, the final answer in G prime will be 2x minus 3. After getting f prime x and g prime x, we are going to use the formula given. Let us now proceed. Y prime is equals to 5x squared minus 3, 2x minus 3 plus x squared minus 3x and 10x. Now we're going to distribute the like terms. 5x squared, multiply it to negative 3. 5x squared, multiply it to 2x. And negative 3, multiply it to 2x. And negative 3, multiply it to negative 3. Plus x squared to be multiplied to a 10x. And negative 3x, multiply it to 10x. That's the reason why we get an answer 10x cubed minus 15x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 10x squared minus 30x squared. Now we're going to combine the like terms. And the final answer will be 20x cubed minus 45x squared minus 6x plus 9.
We will use this formula. Example number 1. H of x is equals to 4x raised to 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. First step, for the f prime x, which is 12x squared. Second step, solve for g prime x, which is 2x negative 5. Which is 2x minus 5. Number 3, applying the formula, so substitute x squared minus 5x plus 1 as g of x 12x squared plus f prime x as g of x 12x squared plus f prime x is negative 4x raised to 3 minus 2. As f, we will use this formula. As f of x, 2x minus 5 as g prime x and x squared minus 5x plus 1 squared plus g of x squared. Next step, distribution using the FOIL method. X squared times 12x squared is 12x raised to 4. And negative 5x times 12x squared is negative 60x raised to 3. And 1 times 12x squared is positive 12x. Is 8x raised to 4, and 4x raised to 3 times negative 5 is positive 20x raised to 3, and negative 2 times 2x is 4x, and negative 2 times positive 10 over x squared minus 5x plus 1 squared. Therefore, the final answer is h prime x is equals to 4x raised to 4 minus 8x minus 80x raised to 3 plus 12x raised to 2 minus 4x minus 14x minus 10x squared minus 5x plus 1 squared.
That would be all. Thank you for listening.